How you doing, my guys? Welcome to another episode. As you can see, I got a gift from one of my subscribers. So thanks to Joel, he was asking me some questions on Facebook Messenger about the RAV4s. I helped him a little bit. I didn't think I did much for him, but he is the one who requests the episode on these lights and a couple other questions. But at the end of the day, the other day he said he wanted to send me a gift just for the help. I really appreciate Joel for the support, and he sent me the same LEDs that he got on the fog lights. He has some switchbacks on the fog lights. I don't know how they work. I used to have some on my core where you turn it on and it's white, you turn it off and on again and they turn amber. I think this is the same thing. Let me open the little gift that I get from Joel and we're gonna do the installation. I don't have to show you the whole process. I just gotta remove the underliner, go and remove the bulbs, same on the other side, and let's put the new ones. Really happy about this. I'm gonna put the link in the description for these ones, thanks to Joel. And you guys know that I'm affiliate with Amazon, so if you purchase from my links, I'm gonna receive a small commission from them. But there you have it, 6000K and 3000K LEDs from Alla. Oh, this is really nice. H11s, amber and white LEDs. So let me put them on. I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but once I have them installed, it's gonna be really good to have amber and white. I used to have this on my Accord, but it was a different brand. What do you guys think? Amber and white at the same time. I like this. Not too long ago, I was thinking on doing ambers on the truck. So shout out to Joel for getting this for me. I'll leave you with that, guys. I hope you like this little episode. Thanks to Joel for getting these switchbacks for me. I really appreciate that. If you guys want to get them, link is going to be in the description for those. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.